Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So CPI data report shows that inflation in the U.S. has reached 9.1% in June, guys, and that's insane. That came in way hotter than expected, way greater than expectations, and we definitely could see the market panic, guys, from here. But don't be too naive to know that anything can happen at these levels. And what I mean exactly by that is the market has been hit so hard, so severely, guys. Companies from 400 trading at 20, companies at 100 trading at 10, and you get the picture. Companies is down well over 80, 90, 70%, guys. Large cap companies as well. So with that being said, the Feds loses steam power whenever the market gets this low. The Feds got 99% conviction rate. That's what I tell you guys. And that 1% of the time, whenever they're wrong and the market go in the opposite direction of what they was intended for the market to do, is whenever the market is at severe lows like we currently experiencing. Not saying that we can't go lower, because we easily can. But the way they'll make us go lower is not exactly how you would picture it. Meaning right now, from the point that we at, we just drop. No, they will have spikes in between, because they know it's only so much pressure they could put on these stocks, and they only could bring it down to a certain level before true demand and real demand come in and eat up those prices, being for the fact that they're so cheap. So the price that we're seeing now, of course, everybody's expecting for the market to be bloody today. I'm talking all day long. I could possibly see the market tanking, pulling back like it did in the pre-market. AMC then came down to the low 15s. We ended at 1538. We expect to come down to the low 15s, test that 1450 support, and hopefully AMC could bounce off of it and we keep our momentum, because we know in the other weeks prior, today it's pretty much trading with the overall market, but we know the prior weeks AMC in the market was trying to get out of that mix and do their opposite things like they been doing, the original frequency for the meme stocks that hedge against inflation. So as we know, guys, it is crunch time. It is crunch time. Things is getting serious. We know the economy is still on edge. It's not getting better as of right now. We still have a lot to deal with. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys, and see exactly what our full opinion will be on throughout today. So CPI report, U.S. inflation reached 9.1%, guys. We know May's annual rate was 8.6%. We wanted to come in under that, and if we came in over that, we knew things would get interesting. So the consumer price index reading for June was higher than May's annual rate of 8.6%. That led Fed's official to shift to a faster pace of interest rate increases. So we know as inflation continues to soar out of control, the Feds is losing their face card. They losing their capability to manage and control the U.S. and put us in a comfortable position from the public, from the people's eye. So with them, they're going to have to aggressively tighten monetary policies and balance sheets and shrink balance sheets to hurry up and tame this inflation. And by them doing that too aggressively, that can also cause panic and fear on the markets, guys. But like I just told you guys, they losing that steam. Once the market just came down to the bottom floor, it ain't really too much more you can do to me. After you done whoop my ass, it ain't nothing else you could do to me, right? The only thing you can do now is either shoot me dead and kill me, or just beat me up again. And that's exactly what's taking place right here in the market, guys. So anyways, AMC is currently sitting at $15.17 in the pre-market. We came down to that low $15 area. We could possibly easily come down and test that 1450 support on today. We definitely want to hold it, guys, but the way the market looking is going to be very, very tricky. Everybody's expecting for red, but that's the thing, guys. We could possibly see a huge panic early in the morning as soon as 9:30 hit, and by 10 o'clock you could see a spike right back up. And then everybody wondering, oh, what's going on? Looking confused. And then once you see that spike come up, you'll see it drop right back down just as quick, guys. So you already know today will be a day for the books, though, if AMC can, maneuver its way through all this madness with the inflation report coming in as high as it did at 9.1%. If AMC could make it through this, that's definitely going to give us some real solid core guidance to go from here, guys. That AMC maybe is truly on the up and up from here, and that's going to also trigger a lot of new buyers, a lot of more FOMO, and you already know, guys. And don't let it start to run on the day. You already know. But as of now, the beginning of things, we definitely about to drop a little more, come down, test support at 1450. and I'm want to see us bounce off of it, but the market is going to be very uncertain today, guys. Very uncertain. I'm expecting it could be tricky and do something that a lot of people ain't expecting. Of course, come down panicking early this morning, but then I'm thinking it will spike, because like I say, whenever they get to that bottom floor like that, if we were still trading up some, then they could just let it fall. You be like, dang, where the spike at? But whenever it hit these lows like it's been hitting the prices that we currently at, they gotta let it spike, because they can't make it continue to go lower and lower without no spikes in between. That help giving them that leverage, because when you got a stock at 12, and or say you got stock at $3 and you barely can get it down anymore, you will spike it up to 450 just to bring it down again, and it's looking like, you know, making it look like what it's not. But anyways, guys, I love you. You already know what to do. AJ on Instagram, and we go.